Good morning, Facebook. So here we are in Anaheim. We're actually doing a demo. We did that yesterday. I should have made a video on that, but it was a little hectic. I didn't get a chance to. But I can show you the finished product right now of pretty much the demo. We took out the existing wood that they had in there. Something we've never done before. They're doing a hemp floor. Never seen one, never, so kind of new to us too. So we're just going to check that out. Let me go ahead and take you through what we're doing right now. So, like I said yesterday, they removed all the wood. Got our guys right here grinding everything down, taking all the existing glue that was on there out. We got our subfloor, our floor here that was totally uneven. And so what we're doing is we're breaking everything down. We're going to relay some concrete, make sure everything's level. You see all the tar in this room right here. So this is all gonna get grinded down. So today is kind of like a cleaning day. Yesterday we demoed it. Like I said, we took out the carpet, we took out the wood, did everything we needed to do. So today's kind of, they're gonna clean stuff up. You're gonna hit this room right here with the grinder, clean everything up, clean up the cement that's underneath. This room right here as well. This is the floor. It'll look pretty interesting once it's all said and done. One more room right here. This is gonna be, like I said, we're gonna grind all this down and clean this up really good so that the adhesive sticks to the floor. Let me turn this thing back around. So you always want to clean that up. That way the glue grips really good. You always want a level floor, especially in concrete. There's little room, little margin for error. You could have a little tolerance here and there, but we want to level everything out, make sure everything's good, and make sure that glue's gonna stick. I'll do another video probably tomorrow just to kind of show you guys the finished product of everything they did, and then tomorrow they're gonna start installing. Alrighty, so everybody have a good day and be safe out there.